guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Retro Farmhouse. Today we're going to work on a simple Dollar Tree DIY. I'm just using this cardboard box and I'm going to use the jute twine from Dollar Tree. I ended up using 2 packages of the jute twine. You can really use any kind of cardboard here. I'm just reusing this box. And I'm just cutting the top and the bottom pieces out, and I'm just going to make sure that both of them are taped really securely because I'm just wanting to use one straight piece. You can really use the boxes that they have at the Dollar Tree. They have like a small shipping box. I recommend just something that's more of a stronger cardboard so that it's not, doesn't bend easily. So again, like I said, I'm just taping it here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape both of these together over top of each other. And now I'm just measuring out 1 inch on each side, and I'm basically going at an angle from my corner to the inch mark, and I just want this to create more of like a funnel shape. Now I'm taking my marks and I'm doing 1 inch mark, and I'm going to draw my lines. Then after this, I'm going to take my box cutter again, and I'm going to score each of these lines down to about 1 inch from the bottom. You don't want to go all the way through. You want this to have a little bit of security at the bottom, so it takes me a couple tries to try to go through this, but you'll see that the parts here are separating and just the bottom part is still going to be intact. Now I'm taking a plastic bag and I'm just going to place that inside just for a little bit of stuffing because I don't want this to be completely flat. I want it to have a little bit of room. So now I'm taking my jute twine and just hot gluing the first piece on about 1 inch up from the bottom. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm going to go over and under each piece, kind of like if you're weaving a basket. It helps to take my fingers and kind of press this down. You don't want to pull it too tight, but you do want to have it secure enough to where it's not loose. Now I'm just taking a little bit of hot glue here and there, and I'm going to secure this on. And for the back part, you're just going to take it around the back. And when you come back to the next piece, as you see, I'm kind of trying to think here, okay, I can't do it the same way. I've got to do it a different way, otherwise not all of them are going to have the jute on it. So now for the next side, once you start the next row, you're going to go under. So the first row I went over the first piece, and the next row I'm going to go under. That way it's alternating each row. And this is what's going to create your basket weave look. I will say this is a good project to work on if you are watching some of your shows in the evenings or binge watching a Netflix or Amazon show. It does take a little bit of time and patience, but the end result is really great. So now you can see I'm at my end. I don't go all the way to the top. I just glue a little piece and then I end up cutting this off. And I'm going to show you here to secure the front. I'm basically going to take my flat pieces and I'm going to bend those over and I'm going to hot glue those down. This is going to help keep our jute cord secure so it doesn't slip or move anywhere. And I ended up using some clips to hold this in place while the glue dried. Now to finish off the bottom, I'm just taking some more jute and I'm basically just gonna wrap this around the bottom and glue it into place so that it doesn't slip. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the top back piece. I'm just going to glue this in and wrap it around. To make my hanger, you can use really anything for this. You can use nautical rope, a big piece of jute. I decided to just use the same thing I was already using. I wrapped it around a couple times and then I doubled it up and cut it even. And now I'm just going to place it onto the back side of my basket and I'm going to secure that with a lot of hot glue. And here's how this project turned out. I think this turned out great and I really love reusing things that I'm going to be throwing away, and really this was made with just one Dollar Tree item and it only cost me about $2 because I already had the box to reuse. I filled this with some floral from Walmart, but you can really fill this with anything and I think this would be really cute with some fall foliage. Thank you guys so much again for watching my videos. If you did like this, please hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time.